Did you know that zip bike riding is an exhilarating way to explore nature from above? Combining the thrill of ziplining with the fun of cycling, zip bikes let you pedal across suspended cables high in the air. This unique adventure sport is perfect for adrenaline junkies and nature lovers alike, offering breathtaking views and a truly unforgettable experience. Whether you're zipping over forests or across canyons, zip bike riding adds a new twist to your outdoor adventures. Before you set off on your next zip bike ride, remember to get a travel eSIM from www.holidayesim.com to stay connected throughout your journey.